how to change group description on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change group description on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here just click on any group you want, like this one, and then just click on group profile here in the top, and here we'll find it, group description. Just click on it and you can change it and click OK. And now just go back, and that's how to change group description on WhatsApp. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.